an important group of animals, help to maintain the ecological balance in nature. Bird race aims to shed light on variety of birds present in various habitats in the city. This event would also help determine the migratory patterns of birds within Mumbai. Mumbai, a city of concrete jungle, has a variety of natural habitats conducive for the avifauna. Seashores, mangrove patches, reed bed and urban vegetation provide shelter and source of food for the birds. Anthropogenic activities in the city converts pristine natural habitats to a deteriorated site, which also supports a different set of birds and other organisms. Some of the common birds observed during this bird race are white-breasted kingfisher, one of the commonest aquatic birds that feed upon fresh water and land organisms. Mudflats, riverbeds in Mumbai provides a support to this kingfisher for its nesting place and a place for scanning the habitat. In addition, a varied range of habitat is used for its foraging purpose. In breeding season, it prefers the thickets in city. Little cormorant, one of the primitive species of birds, it does not have any oil glands and needs to bask and keep himself dry before flying off. Continuous sounds of the city does not affect its existence. It's a social bird. It flocks with other aquatic birds such as the egret. Egrets hunt in both freshwater as well as saltwater marshes. They search for its prey by walking slowly and standing still for long periods, waiting for its prey to come close. Fish is the staple food of egrets. It tosses the fish in such a way that the head enters the mouth first, then the body. Indian pond heron feed at the marshy wetlands on fish, floating vegetation and insects. It flies with a jerk of bright white wings. Wagtail, a passerine bird seen near water bodies eating insects. It wags its tail up and down to deter its predators. Indian spot-billed duck, a non-migratory duck found in freshwater wetlands. It dabbles down the water to catch fishes. A yellow spot on the bill distinguishes it from other species of ducks. Lesser whistling duck generally flocks around lakes along with other species like coot and spot-billed duck, etc. Coots are small and black water birds, usually easy to find swimming in open water. This bird can walk and run vigorously as it has strong legs. They are omnivorous and feed upon plant material, especially root, tubers, small fishes, etc. Lokhandwala Lake, situated amidst dumping ground, houses a good number of them. In addition, there are other species of ducks in Lokhandwala Lake. Ruff, a winter migrant, is also found here in this lake. It is one of the rare species to be spotted here in Mumbai. Common sandpiper, a winter migrant, is found along seashores in Mumbai. They feel the mud and sand to probe for its food and hence the name. They are more geared towards tactile foraging methods. They peck on hard grounds and continuously bob its tail up and down. Flamingo, a winter migrant found in a large flock around marshy wetlands. It is an indication of sodic alkaline water not suitable for irrigation. Their pink color comes from the carotenoid pigments they consume as a part of their diet. In addition to flamingos, Mumbai mudflats are also visited by plover stints and other waders. Eurasian curlew, a winter migrant, has down-curved beak generally found in wetlands. Flock with other wader species. One of the large waders painted stork is also found in Mumbai wetlands. A colorful species marks itself distinct by its pink tertial feathers. They feed upon fish and other small invertebrates. Common snipe, a stocky wader found in marshes, feeds upon small insects, earthworms and tubers. Gulls are very common shorebirds in Mumbai. They also fly to inlands in search of food. These beautiful wader species have adapted themselves well with human counterpart. Crows are an integral part of our city. They scavenge over the leftover dead organisms lying anywhere, thus helping the Clean Mumbai drive. They are not bothered by presence of human beings, vehicular traffic and city noise. Black kites compete with crows in scavenging. They are seen flying around the city. Their numbers are increasing day by day, indicating an increase in garbage in the city. Black kite is one of the birds of prey and are opportunistic hunters. They spend a lot of time soaring and gliding in search of food. They roost on tall trees such as coconut palms. Black-winged kite is the one of two species that can hover for food. This species is characterized by long wings with grey or black plumage. Domestic hen, a non-flight bird having very less ability to fly. Asian palm swift spends most of their lives in air, feeding upon flying insects that they catch in their beaks. Orange-headed thrush, commonly found in wooded areas. They search for their food among falling leaves and feed upon insects, earthworms and fruits. Hoopoes are generally found in lightly vegetated areas where they forage for insects. Asian koel, a brood parasite and a frugivore, who lays egg in the nest of other host birds like crow. The host bird nurtures and raises the young. Common myna, a common bird that generally feeds upon grasshoppers with massive concentration. This bird is adapting to other available insects as its food. Parakeet, a bird with long tail, thus differing from its close allied parrot, has adapted to live in disturbed habitats. Its population is getting reduced due to the pet trade. Parakeet have a habit of raiding grains from grocery shops. Pigeon, a general feeder, can nest upon any flat surface, hence commonly seen anywhere in the city. Red-breasted flycatcher, a winter visitor, generally spotted in the thickets. A non-parasitic cuckoo family member, the southern cuckoo, makes a hissing threat to ward off its enemy. The house sparrow, associated with human habitation, lives in urban as well as rural habitat. They are an opportunistic eater and commonly feed upon seed of grains, weeds, insects and other variety of food. They have adapted to survive without water by ingesting berries. Their population is decreasing, maybe due to shortage of nesting sites, decrease in insect population, use of pesticides, etc. Conservation measures are taken by various bodies across the country. Helped in documenting 107 species in less than 5 hours by 32 teams comprising of amateur college bird watchers.